In this video, I start sphere, first topic in solid geometry for second semester. Sphere, I explain what is definition of the sphere, what is the central form of the sphere. Central form means when the center and radius are given, how to write the equation of the sphere and also the general equation. Always while studying sphere, all the results are similar to that of the circle in 2 dimensions. We have studied the property of circles. Many property of spheres are similar to that of circle. Only the difference is circle is a plane figure, means it doesn't occupy the space, but sphere is 3 dimensional. It has volume, but circle has only area, it doesn't has volume. But many results can be compared. Spheres can be compared with circles. Now what is a sphere? How to define? Sphere is locus of a point in the space it is, which moves such that its distance from a fixed point is always same. Its distance from fixed point is always same. This is a sphere. This is a sphere. Examples for sphere is the football, volleyball. The shapes are in the form of a sphere. Sphere. How to define a sphere, therefore? And also we study this sphere in terms of locus of a point, and we study analytically. Analytically means we derive the equation and we study the properties of the geometrical figure by studying the property of that algebraic equation. That is called analytical geometry. Now definition, how to define a sphere? Sphere is locus of a point which moves such that its distance from a fixed point is always constant. This fixed point is called center, and constant distance is called radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere. Now first one, equation of the sphere. Equation of the sphere whose center is alpha, beta, gamma, and radius is r. Radius is r. Suppose center is, coordinates are alpha, beta, gamma, and radius is r. For that we take an arbitrary point x, y, z on the sphere. And what is the condition under which this point moves? To find the equation of this figure, we have to use the geometrical condition under which this point moves, because it is defined as locus of a point. To find the sphere means we have to find the equation for the locus. What is the given condition here? I take this as C. Cp is equal to R. Cp is R. But by distance formula, what is Cp? Distance formula. You have to apply distance formula. Distance formula. First formula in analytical geometry is distance formula. Distance between C and P, alpha, beta, gamma, and x, y, z is x minus alpha square, y minus beta square, plus z minus gamma square. It is equal to R by distance formula. Squaring we get x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square plus z minus gamma square is equal to r square. Now this is the equation of the sphere whose center is alpha, beta, gamma, radius is r. Now suppose the center is origin. Suppose C coincides with origin, then what do you get? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. This is the equation. So it is called central form. When center and radius are given, you can use this as a formula to write the equation of the sphere. This is called central form. Say how to apply this one. Find the equation of the sphere. Find the equation of the sphere whose center is 2 minus 3, 4 and radius is 5. radius is 5. Center 2 minus 3 4, radius is 5. Now you have to apply this formula. Here this is alpha, beta, gamma and r is 5. So x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square z minus 4 whole square is equal to 5 square. Apply the formula like this. X minus alpha square, y minus beta square, z minus gamma square is r square. So simplifying we get x square, y square, z square minus 4x plus 6y minus 8z plus 3 square, 4 square cancels, 5 square plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of this sphere whose center is 2 minus 3 4, radius is 5. You know how to apply therefore equation of this sphere. How to find out equation of this sphere? One more, center is minus 2 1 minus 3 and radius is 3. Radius is 3. Equation of this sphere is x plus 2 whole square, y minus 1 whole square, z plus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square. How to apply the formula? X minus alpha whole square, y minus beta whole square, z minus gamma whole square is r square. This is the equation of the sphere. X minus alpha, y minus beta, z minus gamma whole square is r square. So x square, y square, z square plus 4x minus 2y plus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the equation. This is the equation of the sphere. Next is find the equation of the sphere whose center is 1 0 minus 1, radius is 5. Find the equation of the sphere. How to apply? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 square plus z plus 1 whole square is equal to 5 square, or x square y square z square minus 2x plus 2y minus, because 1 plus 1 minus 25 is minus 23 is 0. You verify this. This is the equation of this sphere. So we have taken central form here. When center and radius are given, how to write the equation of the sphere? First formula it is. Center, radius are given. How to write the equation of the sphere? Now see these three, 1, 2, 3 are the equation of the sphere. What do you observe here in this equation? In this equation, coefficient of x square, y square, z square are same. Coefficient of x square, y square, z square are same. Each is 1 here in all the three cases. And there is no mixed term. Mixed term is xy, yz, z into x terms. These terms are not there in the equation. By using central form, we have written equation of the sphere. And in all the three problems, what we observe is coefficient of x square, y square and z square each is 1. And there is no x into y, y into z, z into x term. After this x square, y square, z square, we have x, y, z term. And this is, converse is also true. Converse means, first we prove that the general equation of the sphere is, x square, y square, z square plus 2ux, 2vy, 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Here important thing is u, v, w, d are constants. So we prove that this equation x square, y square, z square, 2ux, 2vy, 2wz plus d is equal to 0 always represent a sphere. And also we find out what are the center, coordinates of center and radius. Now you can take this as a first derivation here. Prove that this equation represent a sphere, find the center and radius of that sphere. How to prove that this equation represent a sphere? To prove that this equation represent a sphere, it is sufficient to prove that this can be written as x minus a square y, or x minus alpha square y minus beta whole square z minus gamma whole square is equal to r square. If we prove that this equation can be reduced to this form, x minus alpha square y minus beta square plus z minus gamma square is r square, then it represents a sphere. And also in that process we will obtain center. What is the center of this sphere? You know that alpha, beta, gamma. What is the radius? R. So to prove that this equation represents a sphere, what you have to do is you have to reduce this equation to this form. If possible, then it represents a sphere. For that, I rearrange the terms like this: 2ux plus y square plus 2vy z square plus 2wz is equal to minus d. I collected the terms like this. Now I make this whole square. How to make whole square? X square 2ux plus u square, y square 2vy plus v square, z square 2wz plus w square is equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. What I have done here in this step? Added u square plus v square plus w square both sides. Now see, this is x plus u whole square and this is y plus v whole square, and next is z plus w whole square. I write this as square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d whole square. Right hand side, see this one, it is square root of this whole square. It is taken like this. Now last one step, x minus of minus u whole square, y minus of minus v whole square, z minus of minus w whole square is equal to this. Now this is exactly same as this form. Since this represents a sphere, this equation always represents a sphere. And also comparing, what are the coordinates of center? Center is minus u minus v minus w, and radius is square root of u square v square w square minus d. So we have again a formula here. What is the formula? This equation always represents a sphere. Study the equation. Coefficient of x square, y square, z square each is 1 here, and there is no xy, yz, zx term. That equation always represents a sphere. And what is the center of that sphere? Minus u minus v minus w. What is the radius? Square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. That is the radius. And here we have taken coefficient of x square, y square, z square each is 1. Suppose this is same, ax square, ay square plus az square plus 2ux, 2vy, 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Always represent a sphere. This also represent a sphere, because if we divide by a, then it reduces to x square, y square, z square plus 2u by a x, 2v by a y, 2w by a z plus d by a is equal to 0. Therefore, if the coefficients of x square, y square, z square are same, then also that represent a sphere, because we can divide by that same constant a, then we will get equation in the standard form. We can take this as u by a as u dash, v by a as v dash, w by a as w dash. Then it is standard form x square y square z square 2 u dash x 2 v dash y 2 w dash z plus d dash is equal to 0. So this equation also represent a sphere. This also represent a sphere. But to solve the problem, you have to first divide by a and reduce this to standard form, because this is the standard form x square y square z square 2ux 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0 is the standard form. Standard form in the sense, then we can apply this formula, center and radius. This is the formula for center and radius. So the derivation important here, and in the derivation we have obtained the formula for center and radius also. Now see the problems on this. Find the center and radius of first one x square y square z square minus 6x plus 8y minus 10z plus 1 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 4y minus 6z plus 5 is equal to 0. 2x square 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 2z plus 3 is equal to 0. See these problems. Find the center and radius, that is the problem. Take this as 1, 2, 3. Problem number 1, 2, 3. And what you observe is, in 3, equation is not standard form. Standard form means you have to divide by 2 first. Therefore, to solve any problem on sphere, equation of the sphere must be in this form only. Then only you can apply the formula. So in the first one, you have to comparing the given equation is x square y square z square plus 2ux plus 2vy 2wz plus d is equal to 0. Compare this. What do you get? 2u is equal to minus 6, 2v is equal to 8, 2w is minus 10, d is equal to 1. So this is the first step. Problems are simple on spheres compared to the geometry that you have studied in PUC classes. That is the basic things. This is easier. This year geometry is easier, because always basic things are difficult. If you understand the basic things, then the next topics you will feel easy. I think you followed this one, how to compare the given equation with the general equation. General equation you have to remember always. This is the general equation of the sphere. And now comparing, we get u is minus 3, v is 4, w is minus 5, d is 1. So what is the center? Formula is minus u minus v minus w. Therefore 3 minus 4 plus 5, that is the center. And the radius, what is the radius? Square root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Therefore square root of 9 plus 16 plus 25 minus 1. Is it root 49? Therefore 7. Root 49, therefore 7. So center is 3 minus 4 5, radius is 7. Problems are simple, you can easily solve the problems. See the second one, compare the given equation with the general equation. You will get 2u is 2, 2v is minus 4, 2w is minus 6, d is equal to 5. So u is 1, v minus 2, w minus 3, d is 5. Therefore center is, what is the formula for center? Minus u minus v minus w. So minus 1, 2 plus 3. So while applying formula you should be careful. Formula is minus u minus v minus w, and radius is square root of u square v square w square minus d. So it is 3. Now this type of questions important. You may be asked in the examination for 2 marks. Find the center and radius. Now third problem important. You have to divide by 2 first. So it is important. Equation, it is of course standard form, but you have to reduce by dividing by 2. What do you get? X square y square z square minus x 2y plus z plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Dividing by 2. Therefore, u is equal to minus half, v is equal to 1, w is equal to half, d is equal to 3 by 2. Compare this with, now this is the standard form. Compare this with equation. 2u is minus 1, 2v is 2, 2w is 1, d is 3 by 2. Therefore, what is the center? What is the center? Center is minus u minus v minus w. Correct? Minus u minus v minus w. And the radius is square root of 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2. What do you get? Is it 0? 0. If center is 0, what is your conclusion? Radius is 0. What is your conclusion? Radius is 0 means that this is 0 means the sphere coincides with a point. That is called point sphere. That is called a point sphere. Here center radius is 0 means we have only center. Therefore sphere is called point sphere. Remaining thing I continue in the next video.